Hey everyone, it's Susie here. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. I really hope you're doing well. In today's video, this one is the May reset vlog. I really hope that this vlog inspires you to realign with your goals for this month, to lock in to what is important to you and squeeze everything out of this next month that you can and work on yourself to level up in some way. I'm ready to kick off this reset day, but before we get going, I just thought I'd let you know that my reset days are always the same. I always follow the kind of same format to have a complete reset in one day. Number one on the reset agenda is running any errands or doing any to-dos that I need to get done. Number two is cleaning, whether that be cleaning my whole house or just organisation or just setting out some cleaning tasks to get done. Number three is goal setting, setting my mind for the month ahead. What do I want to achieve? What do I want to get done next month? And number four is self-care, taking a bit of time at the end of the day to do some self-care, wind down and feel fresh for the month ahead. Every month I either write down everything that I need to do on a to-do list on my iPad in the reminders app, but today I've just drawn out these 4 quarters on a notes app on my iPad and wrote down what I need to get done, because it's going to be a speedy reset day today. It's going to feel a bit of a rapid fire reset day, just because later on today I have to go to work and I have to do other things today as well. But I am dedicating the most part of the day to this reset, and I know that after all these things are done I'm going to feel so much better. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the first part of this reset day, which is running my errands. And this morning I need to pack for a bit of a staycation weekend that I'm going on this weekend, but also as well as I'm packing I need to write down if there's anything I need to pick up in the shops, and then we're gonna head out, go to the shops and continue to run errands. There's a few things that I need to post, pick up, etc. So let's get packing. This weekend, we're actually going away on a lodge break, and in my Notion, I have a lodge packing list because we do this on a yearly basis. We always take the same types of things, so I save this lodge packing list in my Notion, just so I've got the list ready and raring to go, so I don't have to constantly be making a packing list for the same type of trip as I pack as well. We are in desperate need of a little staycation, a little bit of time away. I feel like it's been a very eventful, high stress type of year, and just to top things off, over the weekend we had a gas leak and explosion in our house. What can even prepare you for that? Wild. Thankfully everyone is okay, everything is fixed, everything is sorted, and we're very lucky that it wasn't any worse and that the house didn't fall down. It's not been plain sailing, guys. There's been a lot of things going on, and yeah, this weekend away is something that we planned literally very recently, because we were like, it's bank holiday weekend, let's just go away because we need to catch a breath. We do need to catch a breath over here. We're literally just going away for the weekend, just for a chill out lodge break and going on some nice walks, being in the forest. We're taking Barney, our dog, as well. Gonna be a really lovely, perfect chill out weekend, so I'm very, very excited. I've just made a little protein shake. I've put salted caramel protein in, banana and a little bit of peanut butter, and it's so good. I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna go and head out to B&M and pick up some extra little shopping bits, things that we need to take on holiday with us. Whilst I am running errands as well, I'm gonna listen to Mel Robbins. Honestly, at this point, me and Mel Robbins are best friends. We're best friends. I check in with Mel every day. I'm absolutely obsessed with her podcast. I love all the topics she speaks about. I love the way she speaks. I love how real and raw she is. She's a vibe, and we're best friends forever now. This is another kind of productivity hack. I always listen to podcasts whilst I'm doing things. So when I'm in the car, when I'm driving, it's no extra time for me to listen to a podcast. Or when I'm cleaning, I'll put my headphones in and listen to a podcast. It's just another way to be productive. And also as well, I love learning about things. I love things about self-development as well. And any chance I get, me and Mel, we're having a little catch up, and it's so nice.
Your intuition, it works the exact same way as a traditional compass. It reads magnetic energy.
I feel like adulting is the moment you realise you get a lot of joy from walking around B&M. Am I right or am I right? The range has opened behind me. I'm doing everything in my power not to walk in there right now because we don't have time today. But I love walking around the range as well. That's really sad to admit, isn't it? I love a home store. I love TK Maxx as well. Don't even get me started. That's across the road. We can't go in there now though. We've got things to do because I've got my rubber gloves now from B&M. It's time to get home and get cleaning. On today's cleaning agenda, I knew I wanted to give a quick clean to the garage today, which is where our little home gym is. I've been spending so much time in here, especially doing the Go, Grow, Glow challenge, getting my daily movement in, working on my health and fitness goals, and honestly, I'm so grateful for this little space, but it feels so much nicer now it's clean. And also, since the sun is blazing outside, you know I was putting in some washing and getting it hung out on the line and giving the kitchen a little refresh as well. As a little power up, I'm gonna make myself a matcha at home. I know, who is she? I'm such a coffee girl, but as we all know, everyone at the moment is drinking matcha. I found this Perfect Ted Summer Berry Matcha. When I say this tastes like heaven, it tastes like heaven. I am really cutting down my coffee consumption, and I feel like drinking matcha as well is kind of giving you that boost of energy without the crash. And Perfect Ted as well is a brand that blew up after Dragon's Den, and I really enjoyed listening to the story of the founders and particularly the lady who found it as well, who was drinking matcha to help with her anxiety, her ADHD, helping her focus basically. I thought I'd give this a go, and honestly this summer berries flavour is amazing. Literally all I'm going to do to make this matcha at home is I've whisked up the matcha in this little pot with my electric whisk. I've got my ice in my cup ready to go, and I've got some extra creamy oat milk, which is absolutely incredible. I'm loving this at the moment. We're gonna perk up a little bit with this matcha, and honestly I can't wait to drink it. It's so good. If you're a matcha lover, you have to give this a go. I'm just about to sit down now and start planning some goals for the month ahead. But if you want to do this with me too, the way that I do this every single month is I look at my vision board, I look at the goals that I've set for the year, and then I take those goals and make actionable steps to do next month to achieve those goals. Sometimes as well, I love to give the month ahead a theme or a name or an era to go by, and this helps inspire my goals for the month, and it keeps me motivated as well, and I'll just remember that phrase or that theme that I've set for the month to keep me motivated along the way. So if you're someone who's struggling to maybe decide on what you want to work on in the next month, you could always give the month a theme. For example, my theme for this next month is locking in. As I'm sat here typing as well, I thought I'd share some of my monthly goals that I've set forward to do for May. These goals are based on just pushing myself even further to do the things that will make me become my best self, that align with the goals that I set at the start of the year, basically. So one of them is to spend more time and connect with others, really do more social things and push myself out of my comfort zone with meeting new people. I have some really close friends who are just absolute rocks, absolute diamonds, but I do find myself wanting to connect with more people and have a friendship group that share some of my interests and just people that I can connect with and share things with. I feel like it's so important as we get older to maintain like social connection. I guess I don't know if you can relate to this, but as you do get older, your circle just becomes smaller, and it's nice to have connections with other people and share hobbies and share experiences with beautiful people. So that's really something I'm trying to bring into my life in May. My tactic to doing this is I want to attend a new run club this month. I'm going to see if I can find a new run club where I can try and meet new friends and incorporate that as part of my weekly routine. I also want to attend like a wellness event or something that's happening in my community that involves wellness. There's a couple of things that are going on next month, for example, like wellness days and experience days, and people just go, and again, that could be a way to connect to people that enjoy the same things that I do as well. I also want to organise a social of some sort this month to invite my friends to come together and connect, and I might even tell people, you know, bring a friend of yours as well. There's an opportunity for them to make new friends as well and to connect everyone more together. So I'm going to try and do those things this month. So that's just what I'm doing this month to work on my goals. And in terms of locking in this month and celebrating that theme, I'm really using that phrase of locking in to take everything that's working for me currently and dialing in to make it 1% better, or pushing myself a little bit further with those goals to improve even more. So for example, everything seems to be going really well for me in my nutrition at the moment, and I'm also going to be trying out a bit of an anti-inflammatory based diet. Again, I know diet is so specific to everyone, so I'm not really going to talk about that too much, especially because it's about food and things like that. If that's going to make me feel even better by eliminating foods that don't really sit well with my body and my stomach, I'm going to lean into that. I'm dialing in even more on my nutrition to see how it can work even more for me and make myself feel even better. Even my workouts, I've found now what really works for me in terms of a workout routine, and I've got set days now where I focus on recovery and I take it really low impact, and I've got set days where I'm working on my strength workouts. I've got set days where I'm going harder and doing boot camp sessions. I feel like I've got in such a flow with things. So now it's about how can I challenge myself even more in the harder workouts, and how can I recover even more? What other practices can I do on my recovery days? So that's what I mean by locking in, dialing in, and just really putting my foot on the gas of just making things even better. On this goal list as well, there's a couple of random things, guys, I can't lie. We're making some home improvements at the moment, so there's some things in the house that need to be sorted, and I've got that on my goals list as well. Do you even addle? I've got a few books and a few podcasts wrote down here as well that I want to listen to this month. That's a little snapshot of my monthly goals for May. But what's on your goal list for May? Let me know in the comments the one thing that you want to achieve next month. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And I really hope that May is a beautiful month for you and you feel like you're progressing further and further with your goals. To finish off this reset for May, I'm going to make myself a yummy meal. I'm also going to do some self-care in the form of hitting a workout, having a lovely shower, using all my favourite products, body lotions, washing my hair, doing a skincare routine, and that is the perfect way to finish a reset day. So this is where we leave each other until the next video, and if you've enjoyed watching this reset day and you want to follow along for more content just like this, you know what to do. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.